Hey guys, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and welcome to Badass Sides. Today's side dish, fondant potatoes, sous vide style. And a perfect fondant potato is really creamy on the inside, crispy on the outside, and packed with flavors. So here's how we make them. The first thing that we're going to do is trim big russet potatoes so that they are about a little bit more than an inch thick. Then we're going to use a 2-inch ring cutter and stamp out some potato pucks. Then you want to trim them a little bit more so they have an even thickness. Next, take a potato peeler and trim the edges so that they are slightly rounded. Then you want to season the fondant potatoes with salt and pepper. Then we're going to place them in a bag for vacuum sealing and add about 2 tablespoons of duck fat. Then we will add a couple of sprigs of herbs to the bag. I use thyme, rosemary, and parsley. Vacuum seal the bag and set your immersion circulator to 190 degrees Fahrenheit. When the water has reached that temperature, drop in the bag, and now we want to sous vide this for 3 hours. After 3 hours, you want to heat a saute pan over medium-high heat. And then you need to remove the bag from the vacuum bath, cut it open, and drop all the content into the saute pan. Now we're going to pan-sear the potatoes and turning them a couple of times until they have a beautiful golden crust. They're already cooked, so you're only looking for a nice crisp surface. When they're done, remove them from the pan and serve immediately. And that is how you make some amazing sous vide fondant potatoes. Happy grilling!